Use the key to remove the battery. Press and hold the powered on button for 15 seconds to discharge the residual electrical energy. Disconnect all terminals of the front connector wiring harness. Remove the two brake cables from the clips. Remove the two wire harness sleeves. Remove the cable guide plug. Use a 4mm hex key to remove the 4 screws that fix the bottom cover plate. Disconnect the wiring harness terminals of the pink and purple sleeve covers. Pull out the wiring harness. Thread the two terminals through the cable guide plug. Thread it into the bike frame. Thread it out through the side holes at the bottom. Align the raised part with the notch and insert the terminal of the same color. Push the wiring harness back into the e-bike body. Install the bottom plate with the label facing outwards. Tighten the 4 screws that secure the bottom plate. Align the raised part with the notch and insert the terminal of the same color. Insert the two brake cables into the connector clips. Install the cable guide plug back with the hole facing upwards. Install the two wired harness sleeves. Organize the wiring harness and wiring harness sleeves. Install the battery.